Hey everyone, so today I wanted to show some Happy Mail I received. Now this, according to the note, is from Kyle and Christine. So they sent me the Ohuhu glitter markers. I did not even know Ohuhu had glitter markers, so check that out. But I thought it'd be fun to swatch them with you guys and like take a peek and see how glittery these are. Let's see if it says anything. So we gotta shake them. So I'm thinking it'll be kind of like a glitter paint pen, but we will find out. Because like I said, I didn't even know they had these. Oh my goodness. Packaging, no. Oh, there's tape there. Okay, let's pull one of these out, just so I can kind of, so it says Ohuhu glitter marker, fine tip, shake, push, yeah, so you gotta prime it, write, recap. I'm betting it's like a water-based paint type, but let's get this out. So there's no color name on them, so I'm just gonna try and keep these in order. But yeah, let's swatch these and see how shimmery these are. Okay, so I'm gonna pull them out of the case, maybe in order, and then I'm just going to take a Sharpie later and write a number on them. Oh, broke the rule already. Shake. Now, I don't know how much priming these are gonna need. I don't have scratch paper, so we're just gonna prime it where we're gonna swatch. Because I don't wanna waste the paint. Ooh, I can already see the glitter. Okay, there's one. All right. Shake, shake, shake. You know, if I was smart, I would just take the whole package and shake the whole package real quick. So I'm gonna do that. Whew. You want a good workout? Take a whole package of paint pens all at once and shake the entire package. Yeah, that's a good workout. I shook them like crazy so that hopefully that ensures the glitter is all distributed. So this looks like a darker blue. And yes, I'm just writing words as well. Apparently hi and hello. What a vocabulary range I have. Okay, let's check out this one. Yeah, I'm gonna prime it on here just because I don't want to waste the paint, but then I'm writing underneath it as well. Right, think. That one's harder to see, I know, but it's there. It again. I'm already seeing the glitter in those. These prime, whoa, prime really fast. Yes, they do. Ooh, I like it. You know, I have the Copic ones, and I got it in another brand. I can't remember the name of the other brand, but wowza. These are awesome. I'll just color in this little heart here. Maybe. Oh, cap on that one. Didn't want to go back on. Just want to see, because my I have a few glitter paint pens floating about, but oh my gosh, look at that. It's like a dioxazine violet, my favorite watercolor. I'm gonna draw another heart. Why? Because that's just what I'm feeling today. Oh, this one has blue coming through the glitter. Don't worry, I will change the angle so you guys can see the glitter. But right now we are just swatching these bad boys. Ooh, oh my. Look at that. Wow, can't even stay in the lines. This one has like a gold glitter coming through it. Okay. These prime really fast when you give them a good shake. If anyone's curious. Look, I can't even draw an even heart. We'll draw another little heart over here. Okay. Now we got like this lime green color, maybe. I like it because not all of them are like silver glitter underneath, so I'll show you guys that in a minute. But like they each have their own unique little glitter binding. Yeah, that's a term. I'm not sure if it's a real one, but it's one I'm using today. And so each one has like this cool effect. These would be great for adding accents. Oh my gosh, I could have used that gold for my Hannah Lynn page the other day because my Sparkle Pop pen was out of ink. And so I was like, no. Okay, that green is just breathtaking. I'm hoping this is silver because if it is, I've got a page already. Oh, look how fast that one primed. Again, just give them a good shake. Shake the whole package. Reminds me of that, what's that workout thing? It didn't look very good when you would see the infomercials. Oh, this silver is perfect. Oh my gosh, on fairy, oh my, oh yes. On fairy wings, that'll be awesome. Okay, I'm hoping this last one here is black. A really nice, glittery black. Please be. Please be. It is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You know what? Because I'm so happy, we're going to write yay. All right. Let me give you guys the, look at that. Oh my gosh. And this is just natural daylight. I don't even have my overhead lights on. Look at that glitter. Oh, wow. Okay, so this one up here has a blue glitter in it. So it's just blue on blue. See that? Now this other blue has green glitter. So you see the green in there? That's what I'm saying. I like that they varied it up. They didn't just like slap gold or silver. They actually thought it out. This gold is, oh my gosh. Let me see if I can get a better, just a little more. We're gonna draw a heart again, yes. Because I'm in love with my glitter pens. Oh my gosh, look at that gold. That is beautiful. Okay, this orange has, it looks like regular gold undertones, very slight, but can you see that sparkle? Woo! All right, the purple has purple glitter, this purple here. See that glittery? Oh my gosh. And then this blue has like a, almost like a turquoisey glitter added to it. Do you see how that, when it catches the light right there? Oh, speaking of catching the light, that orange is like, it has gold. So it has gold flakes inside there, and yeah, they're showing through. The pink has pink glitter. So see how it's just straight up all pink. This green is actually pretty cool. So it has like a slightly darker green glitter. See it there? So it gives off a really good sparkle. Okay, and then this darker green has like a bluish, it'd help if I was on camera, a bluish tinge in its glitter. And the silver is a legit silver. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And the black has silver in it because I can see the silver coming through. But look at that shine. Wow, these are so nifty. I didn't even know these existed. I would love to, ooh, I would love to use these on some pages. I'm gonna write glitter markers. We need another color. We gotta do purple. No, yeah, is this the right purple? Yes, it is. That's my sloppy cursive, in case you were curious. Yeah, these are so pretty. These are gonna look so awesome on pages. I would definitely use these to like accent a page and just add that bit of sparkle. But I'm glad I've got like a gold, I've got a silver. I'm freaking in love with these blues and purples. Wow, these are so cute. So obviously, yes, I really like these. I am going to be using these on some pages, and I have a page right now that is downstairs. I was coloring in it. It's a Hannah Lynn, and I needed a silver, and I'm going to use this silver. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so fun. Plus, paint pens go over ink, or not ink. Anything goes over ink. They go over pencil. Like, you know, your Posca and all that, how you can go right on top of it. You don't have to worry about like a gel pen getting stuck. So I can put these over even the waxy finish of my Prismas and still be able to accent it. So I'm really excited to play with these. So thank you very much, Kyle and Christine, for sending these to me. These are so pretty. I didn't even know they made these. So, oh my gosh, I'm like hooked now. These are awesome. So yeah, you guys check these out. I will leave a link in the description below. And yeah, these things are beautiful. Okay, well, enough of me gushing. Until next time, everyone, take care. Bye now.